In today's video, I'll teach you how to find items saved for later on Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is go to the official website of Amazon. Click on the search bar and type in amazon.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to find various options. What you have to do is simply visit your cart. Over here you'll be able to find the cart option. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the cart interface. You'll be able to view all the items that you've added to cart over here. If you want to save the item for later, what you have to do is click on this option, save for later, under the item that you want to save for later. Now once you do that, the item will be saved for the later. Now if you want to see the item saved for later, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for your items. You'll be able to find two options over here, saved for later, buy it again. Make sure this option for save for later is selected. Now over here you'll be able to see the items that you have saved for later. So like this you'll be able to see it. So that is how you see items saved for later in Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.